Hiya folks, it's Jonathan Denwood, and in this video I'm going to be telling you why you shouldn't use services and add-ons and plugins to try and make your website more accessible and for it to apply to the American Disability Act. Why these services offer a lot, but the reality is they still make you open to be sued. And you really got to understand some key elements of this. Got tons of experience in helping people, associations, non-profits and other businesses around this area. I will be back in a few moments, folks. So, you've been doing a trawl of the internet because it's come to your notice yourself as the business owner, or you're the person in charge of this particular element if you're an association or non-profit, but it's come on your plate. And basically, you know you've got a major problem here. And as you've been told and as you've done your research, it does really open you to being sued, but being the fact that your website was never built in the first place, or it wasn't even on your radar that it should be built in a way that makes it accessible. So there's urgency here because you don't want to get involved in a legal situation for the PR, for the costs. Basically, one of the facts is that even if a case is won, they're not going to, because of the way the Act is structured and worded, the legal fees might be paid for, but there won't be any additional costs. But it's paying those legal fees, going through the whole time-wasting process. It's best to avoid it like the plague. So there's urgency here. So there's other companies that say, well, we've got the perfect solution here. Give us money every month or money every year, and we've got this add-on or this service for your Shopify website, for your whoever SaaS platform you're utilizing, popular one, or if you're utilizing something like WordPress, they've got a plugin and you pay us a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription. You put this plugin or add-on and Bob's your uncle. Your problems are solved. We give you a certificate. If anybody legally comes and sends you letters, you just show them the certificate and everything's going to be sweetness and light. This is a gross simplification of the reality of the situation, and in most cases it will not work. What has to be provided is you need somebody to go into that website and fix the fundamental issues, then educate you and some of the key staff that are updating the website, or you need an individual or company to be on a retainer to modify and improve any new content that's put up to the website and document it and keep that documentation. So if you are challenged, you can say, well, we did practical, we've got a practical system here and we've attempted to keep the website to a high usability standard. And we've employed these people either internally or externally, and we can provide this documentation. And we feel we've done everything that's reasonable to keep the website as accessible as possible. And if you've got this documentation and if you've gone down this methodology, you're going to be okay based on my experience. No reasonable court or any kind of scenario. And if you show you've done this and you've got a process and you've got the documentation, most of these companies, these law firms will back off. They will go off and find easier kill. So that's the basic, what the basic situation. I've written a very detailed post on this. You find the link in the video description underneath, folks. I don't want this video to end up being War and Peace. I wanted to really cover just the core concepts. And if you need any more information, you find it in that article. And you can also book a consultation with me on the WP-Tonic website, and I'll go through everything in even more detail with you. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm always producing content every week, helping memberships, associations, non-profits in every aspect of their website and their digital marketing. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.